Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. I'm really excited to share this with you all. I made these gift baskets and gift sets made with Victoria's Secret products, and I have a sale this weekend, so I made all of these the past few weeks to get ready for this sale. And I'm just loving these. I think they came out really nice. Let me know what you think. This is the first time I do this, and I think they came out nice. If you think I should do anything different, I'll be happy to accept critiques, as long as it's not like mean-spirited or anything. But I just wanted to share these with you all, and I just wanted to say a big thank you to LBE, Yummy Tea, and Boss Lady Fee, among others, that have inspired me to do all this. I'm actually kind of shocked at all these that I came up with in just a few weeks, and just doing a few at a time as time allowed. So anyway, I'm thrilled, so just had to share. Thank you again for watching, and I will talk to you later. Take care.